Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Campus Beats. It's right here. So I enjoyed it so much. It's my first show that this had been here. Most interesting, Bali mein there was a waterfall that I went to, which was an isolated, bilkuli hidden gem of Bali. It was called Leke Leke Waterfall. Oh, I got pranked by Palki Malhotra ma'am, and Shantanu. Oh my god, it was. We almost died. They thought they scared us. कि वहाँ पे भूत है. हम एक स्टेके पे गए थे. We were all. I almost cried. So yeah, it was a bad prank, but a fun one. Hi, this is Shruti Sinha, and today I'm doing 33 questions with India Forums. Let's start.
Shruti, the first thing you do when you wake up.
Check my phone. It's a very bad habit, but yeah, I do.
Okay, a useless talent that you have.
I can move my ears. Can you see?
Yeah. Weirdest thing that you have ever eaten.
Fries with ice cream. Ugh.
One celebrities whose Instagram game you love.
Mine.
Alright. Number of hair ties you lose in a week.
I can't count. सभी खो जाते हैं. See, I thought I had one in my hand right now, but it's not.
Alright, your go-to party dance move.
All Bollywood songs. I know all the steps. Everybody hates me at parties because I know all the steps.
The most eventful day in your life till now.
Oh, there have been so many. But I think my first paycheck जब मुझे मिला था और मैंने जाके मम्मी को दिया था.
One of your most scary experience.
When I lost my passport in Paris. Very scary.
Yeah. Your go-to makeup product.
Mascara and blush.
One thing about yourself you wish to change.
Nothing. I think I'm perfect. No, I think मैं बहुत अपने आप को doubt करती हूँ. I want to change that.
One set where you have enjoyed the most.
Campus Beats. It's right here. So I enjoyed it so much. It's my first show that this had to be here. मेरे को
If you could jump in a pool of something, what will it be?
Water right now because it's so hot. I'd love to jump in a pool.
All right. Enact 3 emojis that come to your mind.
A heart emoji. I used to wear chashma. में मेरा LASIK हो गया है, but that's my favorite emoji with the teeth out, the chashma, and that one.
All right. Your best friend forever.
Oh, my best friend forever. There are 2 people from my school. They've been my best friends, Urvi and Shivangini.
One dish you always order while eating out.
My friends hate me, but peri peri fries and spaghetti aglio olio always. I don't change. मैं जब जाती हूँ वही खाती हूँ.
One thing you miss about home when you're traveling.
My mom and my sister and my dog.
If you had to get a tattoo right now, what will it be?
Oh, I can't. मैंने impulsive होके कोई tattoo नहीं कराया. मैंने बहुत सोच समझ के सारे tattoos कराए हैं, but I think I'll get Aloo made next to Chalpur.
Yeah. The coolest experience you ever had.
Coolest experience would be skydiving.
One thing you love to do on your day off.
Sleep. I love sleeping.
All right. If you had to plan a pamper itinerary yourself, क्या होगा वो?
I'd go to a yoga class. That's not very pampering. मतलब it's tiring, but a yoga class, spa, head massage, spa full day. I love massages. That.
All right. Something you're dying to do right now.
Nothing. I want to eat blue lays. I hated it. I'm addicted to blue lays.
It's just right beside you.
Yeah, my God, I didn't know that.
The weirdest haircut you want to experiment with.
I really want to go pixie, but I think short hair मेरे से हो नहीं पाएगा. एक दिन मैं बोर हो जाऊंगी मैं तो लंबे बाल.
What would your perfect room look like?
All pink, with a pole which I have in the room. Everything pink.
Your shopping isn't complete without buying
A white basic top.
an art form you wish to learn right now.
Gymnastics.
Which is the most interesting place you have ever visited?
Most interesting, Bali mein there was a waterfall that I went to, which was an isolated, bilkuli hidden gem of Bali. It was called Leke Leke Waterfall. Beautiful.
Okay. What's the best thing that happened to you last week?
Started something new, a project.
Okay. The last time you got pranked or you pranked someone?
Oh, I got pranked by Palki Malhotra ma'am, and Shantanu. Oh my God, it was. We almost died. They thought they like scared us. कि वहाँ पे भूत है. हम एक स्टेके पे गए थे. We were all. I almost cried. So yeah, it was a bad prank, but a fun one.
A job you have always wanted to try?
A job. I want to become a counselor if like मैं पढ़ाई कर लेती तो.
All right. If you were an animal, which one would you be?
Tiger.
Okay. If you had to get stuck with two celebrities in an elevator, who would it be?
It's very weird, but Arjun Rampal and Dino Moria.
All right.
Love them. They're so hot.
If you have you ever crushed on a fictional movie character? If yes, who?
Yes, I have on so many, but on top of my head, because I just said Arjun Rampal from Om Shanti Om, Mukesh Mehra. Only वो इतना बड़ा red flag है, वो अपने murder कर देता है शांति प्रिया की, but so good looking.
If you could know the absolute truth to one question, what will that question be?
Oily. Very funny. आप जब हेयर ऑयल करते हो, फिर जब आप वॉश करते समय कैसे पता चलता है कि ऑयल कब निकल गया? This is a question that I really every time I wash my hair after oiling, I think कि अभी निकला है ऑयल या नहीं निकला है, कैसे पता चलेगा?
Which Indian reality show you would love to be a part of?
खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
Lastly, where are you going after this interview?
I have my rehearsal. Like I told you, started something new, so that.
Okay, thank you so much,
Thank
Shruti. This
you.
was the end of it. कैसा लगा आपको ये 33 questions?
I think मैं बहुत अच्छी थी, बहुत interesting questions थे. I absolutely loved the all the 33 questions and something to think about. Had a lot of fun.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.